Hi everybody, Michael Guberti, digital marketing strategist, co-founder of Guberti Giving. Happy to be with you here to help you answer the question, how can you optimize your website? First of all, allow me to say I hope you're having a great Memorial Day weekend, and let us take this time appropriate for the holiday to remember those who fought and protected and preserve our freedom. So first of all, 3 ways to optimize your website. One is to have a live chat on it where someone could message you and go back and forth with you on a forum like Facebook Messenger would be a nice add-in on your website. That way a little circle could pop up. They could click on it. They could say, I want to book an appointment. I want to call your office. I want to ask a question. I want to learn more about your services, where you can link to your website. In addition, as the second of 3 strategies here, update your website's plugins and your software. You don't want to be running on old versions of software. The reasons the creators of it updated software is because it takes out any bugs or it enhances performance. So you're either getting something better or you're getting rid of something that wasn't working as well as it could be. So make sure you update your website software. And then the third of 3 things is to make sure you own every part of your website. You may own the name through something like GoDaddy or HostGator. You may own the host. Well, you may know who hosts your website through a contract or a subscription you have with a company like WP Engine or HostGator, but you really want to make sure you own all the parts and aspects of your site, because sometimes some company will build a site for a business owner, but they have the license keys, they have the software information, and essentially you are tied to that company for as long as you want the website, because if you try to leave them and they remove the license keys that make the site function and look as it does and work in the way that it does, then they're pulling the legs out from underneath your table. And that's the last thing you want, because you should own every aspect of your website. So take inventory of, in summary here, how you can add a chat feature, that you update all the plugins and the software associated on your site, and that you own every part of your site as opposed to being codependent and co-reliant on another organization or entity to do so. So hope you have having a great Memorial Day weekend, and let these tips be used to optimize your website. If you'd like to learn more about these strategies, go to michaelguberti.com. And if you'd like to speak with me about how you can optimize your online marketing, go to michaelguberti.com/schedule, and we can schedule a discovery call to talk more about it. Hope you're having a great day until I see you in the next video, or speak with you over the phone, or email you, or through some other means. Dream big, achieve greatness, and unlock your potential today. And now I'm just going to close this live stream and hope you all have a great rest of your day.